To you in Kana math classes for 12th mathematics concerning CBSE board based on syllabus NCERT. Now we will find out the differential equation. I mean based on some group of curves or family of curves, we have to find out the differential equation. Here under exercise 9.3 we will have a question number 1. Here it is given that family of curves x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Obviously this is the equation of ellipse having center as the point of origin and major and minor axis is equal to 2a and 2b. This is the general equation of ellipse whose center is 0, 0 and major and minor axis are 2a and 2b. Hence, this equation is the general equation of the curves. Now, with this help, with this equation, we will have to find out the differential equation having some belonging to this group of curves. It's very simple. In the equation of the curve, we have to eliminate the arbitrary constant, that is a and b, by taking first derivative, or if not possible, we will take the second derivative too, third derivative too. But our clear concept is to eliminate the arbitrary constant in the general equation of the curves to find out the differential equation requisite. Now, in question number 1, we will differentiate this or taking derivative of both sides with respect to x. We will have to 1 by a and 1 by b. Y means dy by dx, and derivative of 1 being constant will be equal to 0. Now, if we multiply both sides, by AB, the LCM of the denominator of the left hand side, we will get b plus a dy dx. You may substitute this by y dash, and this is equal to 0. Now, if you transfer the sides, you will get a y dash is equal to minus b, or y dash is equal to minus b by a. Simply, our aim should be always to eliminate the arbitrary constant, and the very basic curves, equation of basic curves have two arbitrary constants a and b. It is obvious that the differential equation will be of the order 2. Now, in order to eliminate b by a, we will further draw the further derivative, that is y double dash, and this is equal to 0. This will be the requisite differential equation, satisfy the equation of family of curves. Now in the continuation of to find out the differential equation with the help of given curves or family of curves, we will now try to solve in forms of differential equation of the given equation of curves. Here we have two arbitrary constants a and b. Hence, the order of differential equation obviously should be equal to 2. Hence, first of all, taking derivative of both sides, this will be equal to 2y dash is equal to AB square. Here we may very obviously write ab square minus ax square, ab square minus ax square, and the derivative or differential of the left hand side will be equal to 2y y double dash, and this is being constant, this will be equal to 0, and here minus 2a x, minus 2a x, sorry, here the order of derivative will be first 2y y dash is equal to 0 minus 2ax, but still it includes a arbitrary constant a, hence in order to eliminate this a, we should find out further derivative, that is of the order of second. You have observed here, taking 2 as a common, this will be equal to y y dash is equal to minus ax. You may represent this by equation number 1, and further you will differentiate or find out the next derivative, the product of two functions, first function into derivative of this, that is a y2, and plus the second function y dash, and the derivative of y will be equal to y dash, and here it will be equal to minus a only, because here we see minus a constant, our differential quotient of this x with respect to x will be equal to 1. Now this is y y double dash plus y dash square is equal to minus a. If you inspect the equation number 1 and 2, in order to eliminate the remaining arbitrary constant a, it's very obvious. If you divide the equation number 2 by equation number 1, 2 by 1, you will easily get y y double dash plus y dash square, and the left hand side of the equation number first will be equal to y y dash, and this is equal to minus a and minus ax, and this is equal to minus a, this will be cut, and here we may write down like this, because this is first and second. Then it will left y y double dash plus y dash square, and by this is equal to x y y dash cross multiplication, you will get the term x y y dash, and ultimately y y double dash plus y dash square minus 2x y y dash will be equal to 0. This will be the differential equation. Here we see this is the order of 2, and we have already eliminated the arbitrary constant a and b. Here we have taken dividing equation second by first, then x will be in denominator, and now this will be multiply by x, and this will be y y dash. Now and now multiply by x within the bracket y double dash plus y dash square minus here will be only y dash will be equal to 0. This will be the required differential equation of the order 2. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks to you.